guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am painting another shirt, and this one is a commission from my brother, so I thought that I would bring him here to do voiceovers with me.
Hi-oh. You might remember me. I was in a video at
We
one
already
point.
did one video together, and it is up on my channel. There's a little drop-down thingy right about now.
Yeah, I'm the one with the glasses.
And we are going to be reviewing some 2020 fashion trends that we found on Google.
Yay!
Yay!
Yeah, because I mean, like, I haven't left my house most of 2020. I don't know what the kids are wearing these
We
days.
have no idea what people be wearing.
Okay,
so the first fashion trend we have is shoes worn over pants.
Okay, I need you to know that I looked at the title really briefly as you scrolled by, and I thought it said shoes with worms, and I was like, what?
I'm here for that.
Okay.
Okay, so it's like over the ankles with like these little ties. I mean, like,
I'm gonna say yes. These look like they're done well, and I like it.
if they're done well, I feel like they can look really cool, but I feel like they could also look really terrible.
Right, you gotta do it right, and I think these ladies that I'm looking at are doing it right.
There was one guy on Project Runway who used to do like ties around the arms and the ankles like this, kind of similar, and it always reminds me of that. So I honestly really love this trend.
I remember those looks.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's a cool trend.
Yeah, I'm gonna say it gets a pass.
I'm gonna say
from
it
me.
gets a pass from us today. All right, the next trend is oversized Victorian sleeves.
Heck yes.
I'm so happy this trend is back in.
Okay, wait.
I love puff sleeves so much.
Okay, so the ones that we're looking at, okay, so the one on the far right, that's amazing. She looks fantastic, she looks great. Whereas this one, this looks freaking awful. This looks so
I don't
terrible.
mind it. I don't mind it.
And the sleeves,
with princess seams, it could have been done better, but I like the sleeves and I kind of like the big puffy skirt, not gonna lie.
it just looked, in theory, I would like this look, but it just looks terrible on her.
I'm just really for like the puff sleeves. I don't care what length it is or like how they look. I love
As a
big
general
sleeves.
rule, puff sleeves get a pass.
Because I
from
feel
me.
like for so long it was like those stringy little spaghetti straps were like what everybody was wearing forever, and like my whole
Yes, but
closet
spaghetti
is
straps are a
spaghetti
pass.
straps, and I need more clothes like this. They're just so freaking cute. Everybody should be wearing puff sleeves.
I want more puff sleeves on men.
So puff sleeves are just yes, mwah, chef's kiss.
Sure, yes, okay, yes.
Okay,
it's
the
a
next
yes from
trend
me.
is chunky boots with feminine dresses.
Is that even a trend?
Well, I feel like a lot of people are doing it lately with summer dresses and like thick sandals or Birkenstocks.
Okay.
And I personally really
That's
like
not
it.
a boot, this is a boot.
This is a boot.
No, I feel like we're talking about combat boots specifically here.
Specifically. See, like this looks great. I love it when they have like color coordination. I don't love it when you're wearing like a black boot and like a bright pink dress.
I was
Not
just
my
about to
favorite.
say I love the bright pink with the black boot.
Really, it's not my favorite.
It's such a nice, like, yes, I'm like cute and demure and sweet and I love cute things, but also I will stomp you if you get
See,
in
but
my
I
way.
like the ones that are like a black and white pattern with the chunky boot. I feel like that's great.
I see
love
what
it.
you're saying, and it is good, but no, I love something pretty and feminine, and then just also here's my chunky combat boot. I think it's great.
It might just be this dress. I don't like this dress. All right, the next one is bucket style bags.
Oh, you just throw everything in there, huh? You just.
I kind of like it. I had a purse that was just basically a giant pouch and has like a drawstring, you know? And it was super cute. And these kind of remind me of it, so I kind of like it.
These look like the perfect size to, like, you take the top off and there's just a pint of ice cream just like perfectly nestled in there.
That sounds great, though.
And I like that. So
I am here for that. These get a pass.
these get a pass.
All right, the next look is pastel bucket hats. When this trend was first coming in, I did not like bucket hats at all. But they've really grown on me, and I don't own any yet, which I'm a little sad about.
You're really gonna buy a bucket hat.
I've considered it. I've looked at them in stores before.
You're gonna put that on your head.
They have to be done. Everything has to be done right. That's just a general rule.
Okay,
of
I'm not
everything.
trying. You love your bucket hat. Keep wearing your bucket hat, babe. Don't let me stop you. Who am I to tell you not to wear a bucket hat? That being said, they're ugly.
I think they're kind of fun.
It is a veto from me.
I kind of like them. I'm gonna give them the go ahead. All right, the next look is faux leather jumpsuits.
No.
Why do they have to be leather? That's my question. I love a good jumpsuit. Like, there's
Can you
nothing
imagine
better.
the way that feels? Like,
But
all on
leather,
your legs and on your
why leather?
chest.
Like, no.
Some of these look like they're made out of duct tape. I think these are terrible.
It's just not great.
I'm just not a fan. And these jumpsuit, that's not the way to go, buddy.
It's just not.
You're
the
gonna
way to
get
go.
hot. It's gonna get sticky.
It can't be comfortable.
It's
Imagine sweating in that.
Oh gosh.
Like, ew. That.
Pass.
Pass.
Heart pass.
All right, the next one is matching printed tops and stockings.
Let me see.
I kind of like this. This is kind of cute.
These ladies are killing it. So yeah, it's a
Like, she looks great.
She looks great.
Done
In general,
well.
yes.
Yeah, okay. I
It's
do that
yeah.
to pass.
Yeah. I'm just like a fan of stockings in general. Especially the sheer ones with like the little
Yeah,
accents.
the sheer stuff.
With like a little dot on it.
I love those
That's
sheer
cute.
socks. Those need to like come in more. Like sheer socks with like Birkenstocks or like chunky boots. Yes.
Yeah.
I want more of those. All right, and the last trend is corset tops. I personally have been seeing a lot of these and like a lot of DIYs for these.
Let me see.
I kind of like them. I think they're pretty cute. I've been like looking at making one for a while.
Some of these cuts are nice and some of the other cuts are not. I feel like if you're gonna do it, I feel like you have to go for like, I'm doing kind of a cute vintage or like play on vintage sort of thing. But if you're just wearing it like with your jeans, I think you might be doing it wrong.
I'm personally a big fan of these trends. I think they're pretty cute. And
I can't say yes or no to these. Some of them look great
You're
and some of them
ending
look
indifferent?
terrible. I am ending with a
Wait.
be careful.
I personally like them. I think you should go for them. I think they're super fun. So that wraps up our opinions on some of the 2020 fashion trends that we found online.
Yay!
I think that was pretty fun. And here is the finished shirt.
Cool. That's a great shirt, Allie. I've worn it and I like it a lot. I sound sarcastic right now. No, I think it's fantastic. I'm so excited for it to be like cool enough for me to wear.
And even though this is Asten's shirt, I'm going to model it anyways.
One of these days, I'm gonna model something for your channel.
You did that once on my Instagram and it was interesting.
But I'm cuter now.
So this shirt took me a total of 4 days to paint, which I was doing pretty much straight for 4 entire days. I did it again with my Jacquard textile paints, which I am loving lately. They are super awesome.
The text in the back was a really nice touch too.
Yeah, the text in the back is the Japanese writing of Howl's Moving Castle, which Asten requested on the back, and I think it turned out really, really cool.
It was a good call.
And I honestly really love this whole shirt. I'm going to have to steal it quite a few times from him.
No, that's fine.
Also, when I was modeling this shirt, I remembered it had really long sleeves and that I can do this.
Do I get to self-plug?
You can.
Okay. Also, I have a gaming Twitch. Ali will provide a link probably. if
Right
I
down
ask
in
her
the description
nicely.
box.
It's 18 and up. You can come check it out. We have lots of laughs and we have a good time.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video as always. I hope you liked it. And I post a video every Friday if you want to see more of my content. And that's all for this week. Thanks for tuning in.
Later.
Bye!